Hey kids, so this week we learned the last four numbers from 1 to 10. We learned 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 10. So the last four characters is relatively easy compared to the ones we saw in the previous weeks. So let's begin our review. First, again, we're going to review the strokes. The first one we're going to look at today is 竖弯钩, the stroke that we're going to use in qi number 7. How do you write 竖弯钩? First, we write the 竖, the vertical stroke from top to bottom. And then, as I mentioned before, 1 means curving from left to right. And then 钩 is the hook you finish off of the stroke. Let's do it again. First, you write the 竖 from top to bottom. 1 means curving from left to right. Then in the end, 钩 is the hook from bottom to top. Okay, now the second stroke is 横折弯钩. 横折弯钩 is very similar to 竖弯钩, the one we just wrote. You just add a 横, the horizontal stroke from left to right, before you write the 竖弯钩. Okay, so first you write a 横 from left to right. 折 means turning direction. You change direction from top to bottom, and then curving from left to right, and then you finish off with the hook. Okay, let's do it again. First, you write a horizontal stroke from left to right, and then 折 turning, 弯 curving, and then 钩 the hook in the end. Alright, so now let's begin reviewing the actual characters. The first one is 七 7. 七. So first, you write a 横, a long horizontal line from left to right. Remember, this 横 can be a little bit slanted. Left side is a little bit lower than the right side. So first, let's write the 横 from left to right. And then we write the 竖弯钩 we just reviewed. 竖 from top to bottom. 弯 curving left to right. And then 钩 the hook in the end. Again, a long horizontal 横 left to right. Left side is lower than the right side. And then you write the 竖弯钩, 竖 top to bottom, curving left to right, 钩 the hook in the end. Again, you write a horizontal stroke, left to right, then you write a 竖 from top to bottom, curving left to right, and then 钩 in the end. Okay, now the next character is 八 8. 八 8. First, you write a short 撇, a slanted stroke from right to left. And then you write a 捺, a long stroke from middle to bottom right. Remember, 捺has a little feet in the end, so you're making a stress. While 撇, you lift your pen or pencil off the paper, create the little tail. Let's write it again. On the left is a 撇, lift your pen or pencil off the paper. And then on the right side is a 捺, you make a little stress to create the little foot. First, write a 撇, lift your pencil off the paper. Then you write the 捺, making a stress on the page. The third character we learned this week is 9, 9, 9. As I mentioned in class, the 撇 is a little bit longer than what we see in 8, 8. So first, the 撇 is a long stroke from middle to bottom left. You need to lift off the page to create the little tail. And then you write the 横折弯钩, write the horizontal stroke left to right, 折 turning direction, 弯 to the right, and 钩 a hook in the end. Let's do it again. A long 撇 from middle to bottom left. 横 horizontal stroke left to right, 折 turning direction top to bottom, 弯 curving left to right, and 钩 the hook in the end. A long 撇 middle to bottom left, 横 left to right, 折 turning direction, 弯 curving left to right, 钩 a hook. And last but not least, 10, 10. It's only composed of the horizontal stroke 横 and the vertical stroke 竖. Remember, the horizontal stroke and the vertical stroke need to be straight. And this is how we write many Chinese characters. You keep the stroke straight. Okay, now let's write it. First, write the heng from left to right, and then you write the shu from top to bottom. Again, you write the heng from left to right, then you write the shu from top to bottom. Heng from left to right, and then shu from top to bottom. Alright, so now we finished all the numbers from 1 to 10. And in the following week, we are going to learn some new characters that might be looking similar to some of the characters we already learned. Don't forget to review the stroke as well, as they're the foundation of writing a good character. Alright, see you next week.